Welcome to our Dashcam Showdown. Today we will be comparing two impressive dash cameras that promise to enhance your driving experience. On one side, we have the 1080p 3-channel dash camera, which offers front, rear, and interior recording capabilities. On the other side, we have the 2.5K dual dash camera, known for its superior resolution and night vision features. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to video quality, the 2.5K dual dash camera takes the lead with its higher resolution of 2.5K, providing clearer and sharper images compared to the standard 1080p resolution of the 3-channel dash camera. This means that in critical moments, such as accidents or important road signs, the 2.5K camera will capture more detail, making it easier to identify key information. Additionally, both cameras feature loop recording, ensuring that you never miss a moment on the road. Storage capacity is another critical factor in dash cameras. The 1080p 3-channel dash camera comes with a 32GB memory card, which is adequate for basic recording needs. However, the 2.5K dual dash camera includes a 64GB card, allowing for longer recording times and more footage to be stored before overwriting occurs. This is especially beneficial for users who drive frequently or want to ensure they have ample footage in case of an incident. Night vision capabilities are essential for dash cameras, especially for those who drive at night. The 2.5K dual dash camera boasts super night vision technology, which enhances visibility in low light conditions, capturing clearer images in the dark. In contrast, the 1080p 3-channel dash camera offers standard night vision, which may not perform as well in very low light. This difference could be crucial for capturing incidents that occur after sunset. In conclusion, both dash cameras have their strengths, but the 2.5K dual dash camera clearly stands out with its superior resolution, larger storage capacity, and enhanced night vision capabilities. If you're looking for a dash cam that offers the best performance and reliability, the 2.5K model is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.